Hello, Analytics Funners. Welcome to Analytics Fun. A very warm welcome to all of you in this video. In this video, I'll tell you that what is Alteryx, why you should use Alteryx, which company in India or in the world are using it. Also, I'll tell you the advantage of using Alteryx over other tools. Further, I will tell you the feature of the Alteryx which makes it so powerful and what is its rank among other ETL tool. So let's get started with the $1,000,000 question, that what is Alteryx? So Alteryx is extremely powerful ETL, extract, transform, load, data preparation tool with drag and drop functionality. So it is an ETL tool, that is, it is used for the data preparation, data wrangling and other stuff which you normally do in SQL, Excel or 9. But the problem with those tools is that they do not allow you to drag and drop, but Alteryx allows you to drag and drop. Thus, there is a very major advantage in Alteryx, which is you don't need any technical knowledge because it's just a drag and drop. Thus, an analyst is able to construct a workflow quite quickly in Alteryx, and thus companies can answer business questions quickly and efficiently. Let's move to the companies which use Alteryx in India and globally. Well, there are a lot of companies that use Alteryx. I have done research and find out few companies, but obviously there can be many more companies that are using Alteryx. So I have found that Alteryx is used in almost every domain. Be it in consulting, you have BCG, Bain and Company, Accenture Strategy, and also auditing firms are using it, for example PwC, and you have analytics firm, the Tiger Analytics. In the financial sector, JP Morgan is using it. In the IT sector, Infosys, Genpact, and it is also used in the retail sector by Flipkart. So as you can see, Alteryx is used by a lot of different types of organization in different domains, and this is a very small list. Many more companies are using Alteryx these days. Now let us move to the advantages of Alteryx. The first advantage of Alteryx is that it speed up and automate your processes. In every organization, an analyst is supposed to construct report from the data warehouse, and where the data warehouse reports the data in the similar type of format, and he do the same types of data wrangling or data processing in Excel and SQL and creates report. But Alteryx speed up this, and you have to create the Alteryx workflow once, and you can apply a scheduler which will refresh every day, and it will churn out your report in the desired format from the data warehouse, and thus it automates your process. Second advantage is that is no technical knowledge is needed. So even a student is not from a computer science background or an information technology background can easily learn Alteryx. It can be used by anyone, and thus in the organization where people depend so much on the IT team, this eliminates that dependency, and business users such as consultants or other teams can easily use Alteryx without any dependency on the IT or the central business analytics team. The third advantage is easier to collaborate and use, because Alteryx creates workflow in a very easy with an easy drag and drop functionality. So it is very easy to learn Alteryx as compared to any other tool like SQL, Excel or any other tool. And also it is easier to collaborate, because if you give a handover to a different team member, he'll be able to easily collaborate and ramp up on your workflow. Fourth is predictive analytics. Alteryx supports predictive analytics features, machine learning, deep learning stuffs, for example regression, and there are many other tools also, and Alteryx is in the process of developing more and more tools on this front. Fifth is spatial analytics. For example, if you are given a problem statement to identify the closest Zomato driver to whom you should assign the order. So the problem involving any kind of latitude and longitude with the road distance, geographical map are all under spatial analytics. So these types of problems are not very easy to do in Excel or in SQL, but Alteryx can help you here. Now coming to the Alteryx feature. It supports connection with more than 30 databases. As you can see, this is the complete list from the Alteryx website itself. It supports different Alteryx databases, for example CSV file, and you have IBM SPSS, you have JSON file, and Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, ClickView, SAS, SQLite, Tableau Hyper, Text, Zip. So as you can see, different types of Alteryx database makes it very versatile and very extensive tool to use. Second is, it has more than 50 tools, and thus it can be used for different types of data preparation and wrangling. Not only the 50 predefined tools are there, but there are bunch of macros, user-defined macros that exist on the Alteryx community that people can leverage. And thus Alteryx is a very powerful tool because of the existence of so many tools in it. Now last but not the least, let's see the ranking. So this is a Gartner Magic Quadrant, and they have reported every tool on this 2x2 matrix. And if you see the axis over here, on the y-axis we have ability to execute, on the x-axis we have completeness of vision. This report is Gartner's 2020, and we can see Alteryx is in the leader section. And if we closely analyze the ability to execute, that means its efficiency or the speed, in among all the tools which exist here, Alteryx is at the top because it's very powerful in speed. Also, if we see in the completeness of vision, it is not that much ahead at the moment, but Alteryx is building on it, and in the years to come, who knows that Alteryx might be here. So this was all about the introduction to the Alteryx. I hope you must have liked this video. Please comment in the comment section below that what do you want to learn. Also share this video with your friend, like this video, and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you, Analytics Funners. See you in the next one.